Today, I'm gonna show you an awesome view. Yup, that's right. I'm here in France and I'm gonna show you the wonders of Paris. Today, we're gonna visit Versailles, Notre-Dame, and Arc de Triomphe. Actually, I'm here now in Versailles, and look at the line. Yeah, from there until that end. So if you're going to visit Versailles, you should be here earlier in the morning. So see you around, folks. This is the map of Versailles. This place is so big, they need the map just to figure out where you are. After this, we're going to Arc de Triomphe, and I hope I could capture some great videos there. So see you in a bit. Before we head to Arc de Triomphe, we need to go somewhere else. Where are we heading, ate?
Notre-Dame!
After Notre-Dame, we headed here in my friend's relative. They prepared some foods for us like shrimp, lechon kawali, and munggo. It's very delicious actually. And now I'm gonna share some of the views here in their house. Yeah. After here, we're heading to not sure if we can do it today, but we're planning to go to Arc de Triomphe. I'm here now at Arc de Triomphe, and I'm so excited to see the top view of this prestigious monument that they have. Arc de Triomphe is built for French soldiers who died in World War. So, oh man, so many steps. Woo. Yeah, I'm here. Well, the grading part here in Arc de Triomphe, you can see the Eiffel Tower there. Yeah, it's over there. It's very nice. The architecture of the road is amazing. Finally, I made it in the top of the tower of the Arc de Triomphe. It's wonderful. I saw the Eiffel Tower light up, the sunset. I captured it too as well, and it's breathtaking. Today we're planning to go to the Louvre Museum and Sacré-Cœur. I'm gonna show you some awesome videos. Hope you will enjoy it, and let's go! We are now in Louvre Museum and we are heading now to Mona Lisa's painting. We found Mona Lisa! Yeah! There! Excuse. There you go, there you go. Mona Lisa is kinda small and a little bit tiny that I usually imagine. It has a bulletproof glass and 2 security 3. Yeah, there you go. The amazing Leonardo da Vinci painted. And after this, we're gonna circle around and check the other arts. Finally, we're here in Sacré-Cœur, and behind me it's the church. The what do you call this? Top of the mountain here in Paris, and the view here it's awesome. Yeah, there. That's the view in front of Sacré-Cœur. This is my last day here in Paris, so I decided to go in Eiffel Tower, and hopefully I can go up and take a video with it. So yeah. We are now here in Eiffel Tower waiting for the elevator, and we will go up. Yeah. So we will go up in the Eiffel Tower, the very top. So high. This is the second level of the tower, and we're going more upper, the summit. Yeah. I'm so tense because I'm not good in heights, but I need to conquer it. Yeah, it's beautiful. Breathtaking moment of my life. One of the best views and scary one as well. Finally, I made it on the top of the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, it's a milestone for me. Where are you from, guys?
United States.
States.
North Carolina.
North Carolina.
Yeah, say hi to the Philippines.
Hello, Philippines.
Yeah, thanks.